Hey guys, video service information here. Working on a 2011 Dodge Ram. The vehicle's got about 133,000 miles on it. The customer was complaining about engine running rough, check engine light, and they thought they heard some engine noise. Looking at the truck, we did verify engine noise. It was ticking on the left bank between cylinder 1 and 3. We did hook up the scanner to it, and it did have diagnostic codes for a cylinder 3 misfire, which is a P0303, and then a random misfire, P0300. So most likely we thought we had a lifter issue going on with this thing. Got the valve cover removed. Cranking the engine over on cylinder 3, we had no intake movement. So got this thing tore down, cylinder head removed. Suspected some damaged lifters on cylinder 3. And sure enough, here we have a damaged intake lifter. You can see it's all chewed up. Does a number here when these lifters get damaged. Look down through the lifter hole and we seen the camshaft was damaged. I've got the cam pulled out. You'll see the gouging and the scoring here. Now cylinder 3 is a non-MDS lift cylinder. So it seems to happen on these. The MDS cylinders are a 1, 4, 6, and 7. Seems like when you have a oil pressure drop from the MDS activating on cylinder 1, it'll eliminate some of the oil pressure or oil flow on cylinder 3, and it seems to be taking out cylinder 3. I don't know what you guys have been seeing out there, but that's what I've been seeing on some of them. But we did also have a locking pin on cylinder 1. It was damaged. You can see how it's kicked here sideways. So also cylinder 1 wasn't functioning properly because we get a issue with this lifter's locking pin. After the cam, got pulled out, started inspecting the cam bearings. And usually the position 1 bearing on these hemis is critical for oil pressure. And I don't like to feel any scoring on them at all to be able to reuse the block or reuse the bearings. This one here, it's got some scoring on it, especially with 133,000 miles on it. Most likely just going to be more cost effective just to replace the engine versus getting new bearings put in this thing. And we're just going to go ahead and recommend a new engine on this thing. Hey, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I get new videos up.